Welcome. If you're looking to give the X app access to your contacts, you're in the right place. In this quick and easy guide, I'll walk you through every step to make sure X app can connect with your contacts seamlessly. Whether you're setting up the app for the first time or troubleshooting an issue, these updated instructions will have you sorted in no time. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open your device's settings. This is where you can control all the permissions and preferences for your apps. Look for the gear-shaped icon, usually found on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see either Apps or App Management, depending on your device. Tap on it. This section lists all the apps installed on your phone, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Next, scroll through your list of apps and find the X app. Tap on the app's name to open its settings. Here, you'll see options that let you control how X app interacts with your phone. Now, look for a section called Permissions. Tap on it. This is where you can manage what the X app is allowed to access, such as your camera, location, and, of course, your contacts. Find Contacts in the list of permissions. Tap on it, and you'll see a few options. To allow X app to access your contacts, simply select Allow. This gives the app permission to read your contacts, which might be necessary for features like inviting friends, syncing contacts, or sharing content. And that's it. You've successfully enabled contacts access for the X app. If you ever change your mind, you can always come back to these settings and adjust permissions as needed. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tech tips. See you next time.